I get to a shelter and it's totally packed. I think I'm just going to keep hiking.
Good morning, day 19, here from the Green Dragon. Getting ready to slack pack today, taking a smaller day pack out to Blue Ridge Gap and hiking back to Dix Creek Gap, which is just about 6 miles. Should take about 3 hours, and we'll be back here this afternoon. So gives the legs a little bit of a break and still get some miles in. So anyway, thanks for coming today. Hope to get back and get some more rest today and head out tomorrow to Blue Ridge Gap and go north into North Carolina. So today will be okay. A little bit of day of rest and get to see some scenery. Kind of cool out today and it might rain this afternoon, but should be off trail by then. Thanks for coming today and supporting my effort here. Please subscribe if you haven't, and like and ring the bell and share this with others who might be thinking about doing something like this. See you down the trail.
Well, yeah, except for I'm going to warn you, I'm taking a long road to the mountain first, then coming back.
All right, we're at Dix Creek Gap. We're going to be coming back here. Going to pick up somebody here and drop off 2 guys. But it's a nice blue day out.
Yeah, just like me. A lot of popping.
But I've never lived outside of New England.
Oh, okay.
The road's we're getting closer.
Oh, we still got a while.
I know.
This is a ruddy road.
Oh, it gets worse. She looks like about 20 years old.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
She's just tiny.
Yeah, I know you're about. She was real tiny.
Yeah.
Was she complaining about her feet?
No, she was just
Okay,
chatting.
just chatting, yeah. And then they have these all just obscene expectations for themselves, like, I'm going to do 15 a day. No, you're not.
No, you're not.
No, you're not. It is not flat.
Yeah.
So here's where I wrecked my car. All this water was almost there.
Are you picking someone up?
Dropping him off.
Oh.
Heading back to where you were.
We're going to find him later. He's slacking down back towards Dix.
Welcome to Blue Ridge Gap on day 19. That way is North Carolina, and we were heading up that way for about 6 miles to get back to where we just were over at Dix Creek Gap, hopefully in about 3 hours. So we gotta go. All right, much different without a 30-pound pack on. All right, you should know what this is by now. All right. Cool little things. I'm told that back in Civil War times, they used to use club moss spores, which come out of these tips of these plants, as gunpowder. But they were flammable. I think you'd have to be pretty hard up to use lycopodium powder as gunpowder. Might be a reason why the South lost the war, who knows. But anyway, we're up here with the white pines with their 5 needles in a cluster. Remember that because the word white has 5 letters and they have 5 needles in a cluster. If the needles are fresh, you can take them off and put them in boiling water. They give you a nice tea, a lot of vitamin C in it. So make sure you use fresh needles though. The old ones don't have as much. All right, we gotta get up this little hump here and then go downhill for a little while. Still going up. Just less strain on the body, which is a good thing today. Get a good workout in and don't tire the legs out quite so much. Going up is a little break for the knees than going down, so this is all right, even though it's the big hill for the day. That kind of looks like the stairway to hell there. It just goes up and up and up and up. We're at Coward Gap. About 2 miles to go. We made it to Plum Orchard Gap Shelter down there. Water, I guess, is that way. But now we got to go up our second hill of 3 up there. No, I'm slowly running out of energy. I got about 3/10 of a mile to go to the last hill, and I'm supposed to be a little cruisy coming down, so it's been pretty steep. Still tough on the knees, but kind of a controlled fall. Get the poles out in front and brake and hope you don't trip over something. So, but I had to call in and say I wasn't going to make it by noon. I'll be down by 12:45 though, so get back and I might have a pizza this afternoon. We'll see. Get a nap maybe. Be all right. Hope you're having a great day, because it is just lovely out here today. The clouds are just starting to peek in. It's supposed to rain later today maybe. And just a beautiful Georgia day. Plants are starting to leaf out a little bit, but we'll give it a couple of weeks still here. Great day though. Wouldn't want to be anywhere else. Well, maybe one place else, but this is good enough for now. My first little friend on trail. That's a pretty good garter snake. Almost stepped on him. Yep. It's warming up. The snakes are coming out. Cool. All right. We're not going to get water. We're going to head down to Dick's Creek and get water. All right, made it. Parking lot down there. Well, I didn't have to wait very long at Dick's Creek Gap for Bill to come pick me up. I came back, and when I got out of the car, I realized I was really tired. So I got some water in me and laid down for a while and skipped the trip into town, and then went in for dinner, got a salad for dinner, came back, organized my food, got 6 pounds of food we're going out with to Franklin. Contacted the next hostel, talk about that more later. I'll be in there Thursday at the Grove and stay through Friday. And just got things ready to go. It was a pretty good day. 6 miles of walking is 6 less I have to do from now on, so I'll go back up to Blue Mountain Gap tomorrow early on and continue from there and get up to the next hostel up. So hopefully legs will cooperate and we'll get into North Carolina and celebrate that. I'll show you how we'll celebrate that when we get there. But anyway, I'm going to get to bed here not too much longer because I am still pretty tired. My legs are really tired. So had about 3 liters of water since I got back. So doing okay. Just out here by the Dragon and ending the day. A good day. Did what I wanted to do today, but paid for it a little bit. Hopefully I'll wake up nice and refreshed tomorrow, ready to go again. We're only going 6 tomorrow, but the next couple of days after that we're gonna extend it out a little bit farther, and then I imagine I'll be tired by the time I get into Franklin, but we'll be happy to be in Franklin. So again, thanks for coming along. one of the things I wanted to do today was show you all about lichens. We'll have to do that today. There just weren't very many lichens on the trail, mostly stairs up and down, so we'll do that again. But some of the other things were pretty cool. But thanks for coming, and share this with anybody that likes hiking, and like and click the bell if you want to be notified. Try and get this up pretty quick. I got a few other little things I got to finish up tonight, but it won't take that long. But long day. Well, it's going to be another long day, but we'll get through it. Thanks for all your support and your comments. Appreciate comments. I'll work on the volume control, try and get things a little louder, but the wind is hard out here when you're fighting with the wind. It's hard to raise the volume up without raising the volume of the wind up. So, got any ideas, let me know in the comments. So, anyway, have a good night, and I will see you all mañana.